Hi, I'm Lee Teschler with Design World Magazine. I'm here with Jason Planke from MTX Audio.
Yes.
And behind us, we have a really amped up Polaris Razr off-roader. And I say amped up because it's got 10 MTX audio amplifiers in it, a huge speaker system. Jason, tell us a little bit about what you guys did to this thing audio-wise.
Audio-wise, yeah, we pretty much maxed this thing out. We built a new dashboard to house 4 7.7-inch speakers. There's also 2 10-inch subwoofers underneath the dash that they actually play down at your feet. It kind of horn loads the driver in there, because otherwise these things are you're playing out into nowhere. So we're trying to horn load the drivers to get a little more output. In the rear, we have 2 8-inch pods using a compression driver tweeter, and then a 15-inch subwoofer in the bed of the vehicle as well.
Okay. The amplifier technology that you guys use for this, those are pretty small amps. Could you tell us a little bit more about what you did to get that size down?
Well, it's a digital amplifier, so it's more of a chip-based amplifier than the AB standard, capacitor coil. So it allows us to put it in a much smaller footprint and get the same amount of output out of that small footprint. Plus, in this case, and then this vehicle or motorcycles or anything like that, with its footprint being so small, you can mount it just about anywhere. And also, being that it's a chip amplifier, the heat isn't an issue, like it is in an old AB amplifier, which generates so much heat that you have to have a large heat sink to dissipate all the heat. So by switching to this kind, smaller package, output and efficiency, it's all there.
The other interesting aspect of this is the size of the speakers. How do you get so much power out of a speaker that's only about like this?
Well, a lot of it is the mechanics of the speaker, the voice coil. There's a wind of wire in there, and by changing that size from a smaller wind to a larger wind, we can get more power to it. And think of it like a piston in a car. All it's doing is moving air. It's compressing air. So what we like to do is, we call it the motor, which is the mechanical part of the speaker. So we do a bigger motor, and then we allow the speaker to move further to push more air, which in turn is more output. It's like a bigger piston in a car,
Gotcha. One final question for you, Jason. Could somebody actually go out and buy something outfitted this way?
You could, I suppose, if you wanted to pay somebody. We do offer, MTX offers solutions for audio in these machines. It's much more of a plug and play. Amplifier, speakers, head unit is all built in. And you can check that out in our booth in the North Hall. This is just the extreme. This is, like putting every accessory on it that we can, It's to attract attention and bring people by so we can show them the technology.
Yeah. It's for the audiophile who also happens to be an off-roader.
You got it.
Great.
Got it.
Thanks, Jason.
No problem.